everyone, today I'm doing 2 nails with 2 different types of gel. Hope you enjoy. So we're going to do 2 nails, we're going to sculpt onto forms, and we're going to be using 2 completely different gels. So we've got our Acryl gel and our Sculpting gel. The prep is the same obviously for both nails, so do your cuticle work, push back your cuticles and remove any non-living tissue. And then gently with a 240 grit, nothing more than a 240, just remove the surface shine from the natural nail. And then make sure you cleanse thoroughly to remove any dust or grease. And then fit your forms. There is a separate video on our YouTube channel for fitting forms. Next we're going to apply Bonder, and that's going to be applied to both nails. So just apply to the natural nail. This is an air dry bonder, so this won't need curing, and 1 dip will be plenty for 2 nails. Up till now everything's been identical on both nails, but our Acryl gel needs a base gel, whereas our Sculpting gel doesn't, and you'll see why in a moment. So because Sculpting gel is a wetter gel, you can dip your brush into the Sculpting gel and brush it onto the natural nail area to create a wetting layer. This won't need curing, it just forms a bond between the gel and the natural nail. And then just pick up a bigger bead of the Sculpting gel and roll it onto the nail. You'll see with our Sculpting gel it is a very thick gel, which is great because it won't slump, it doesn't run, it stays exactly where you put it, so you can do all 10 nails before you need to cure it. And just use the tip of your brush just to gently work the product into the shape that you require. And once you're completely happy, cure for 90 seconds. So next I'm doing the Acryl gel nail, and as I said before, this needs a base gel because there isn't anything, there's no wet consistency of Acryl gel, so you wouldn't have anything to create a wetting layer. So you just need to apply a very thin coat of base gel, work it well into the natural nail and cure for 90 seconds in an LED lamp or 2 minutes in a UV. And we're going to be applying pink blush, which is one of my favourite Acryl gel colours. Just dip your spatula into your nail prep and cleanser just to make sure that when you remove your bead from the tube it doesn't stick, and it will roll off the spatula quite nicely. Now I don't think there's any secret about the fact that I absolutely adore Acryl gel. It's such a lovely product. To be honest, both of them are. The Sculpting gels have their own benefits. It is just a choice of application. They're both as strong as each other. They're very similar in colour, the pink blush and the natural pink. They both file really well. They're both super strong. keep dipping your brush into the solution. This doesn't have any effect on the gel itself, it just stops the brush sticking to the product. So when you feel your brush start to stick, just dip into the solution again and then go back to shaping how you want to shape it. Once you're happy, cure again for 90 seconds and then remove your forms from both nails. And file to shape. I'm using a 180, 180 file. And then finish both nails with first the purple side and then the green side of our amazing premium buffer. And then once you've cleaned them off, apply your top coat. You can use no wipe top coat, you can use high gloss top coat, you can put gel polish on, whichever you prefer. This is our high gloss top coat. And there's the finished nails. They're both lovely gels to work with. Really easy, whether you're a new nail technician or an experienced tech. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, give us your comments, and I look forward to doing another video for you.